Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The HP OMEN 35L AI gaming desktop PC represents a modern approach to high-performance computing by integrating specific hardware designed to handle both traditional gaming and emerging artificial intelligence workloads. At the core of this system is a focus on high bandwidth and processing efficiency, which is evident from the selection of internal components. This desktop is built around the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, which utilizes the Zen 4 architecture to provide 8 cores and 16 threads of processing power. With a base clock speed of 4.1 GHz and a boost capacity reaching up to 5 GHz, this processor is designed to maintain high frame rates in demanding software while managing background tasks with ease. The inclusion of the 8700F model specifically points toward a system that relies on dedicated graphics hardware, as this particular CPU lacks integrated graphics, which allows the cooling and power delivery systems to focus entirely on the primary processing cores. Supporting this central unit is a significant amount of memory totaling 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. This generation of memory provides faster data transfer rates compared to older standards, which is vital for maintaining smooth performance in open-world environments and complex simulation software. The build and design of the HP OMEN 35L emphasize a balance between aesthetic appeal and functional airflow. The chassis is a mid-sized tower that fits well on most desks without occupying an excessive amount of space, while still offering enough internal volume to house substantial cooling solutions and full-sized components. The internal layout is organized to facilitate a clear path for air to move from the front intakes through to the rear and top exhausts, which helps prevent thermal throttling during extended periods of high-intensity use. One notable physical addition included with this configuration is the DKZ USB port expander, which addresses the common need for more peripheral connectivity in a modern setup. As more devices like high-fidelity microphones, external storage drives, and specialized controllers become standard for high-end configurations, the ability to expand available ports without opening the case is a practical design choice. The system also comes equipped with a standard USB keyboard and mouse, providing a complete out-of-the-box setup for basic navigation and initial configuration. Connectivity is further enhanced by the inclusion of modern wireless standards, including Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. These technologies ensure that the desktop remains compatible with the fastest home networks and the latest wireless peripherals, offering reduced latency and increased range. When examining how the HP OMEN 35L performs, it is important to look at the synergy between the processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T graphics card. This graphics card features 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is a significant step forward in video memory technology. The high capacity of video RAM allows the system to load high-resolution textures and manage complex lighting effects without hitting the performance bottlenecks that often occur with cards possessing less memory. Because this is marketed as an AI gaming PC, the graphics hardware is intended to do more than just render images. It is built to leverage AI-driven features such as sophisticated upscaling and frame generation, which can significantly boost perceived performance in compatible software. The 16 GB of memory also make it a capable machine for local AI development tasks, such as running large language models or generating images, where memory capacity is often more important than raw clock speed. To store these large applications and datasets, the system utilizes a dual storage approach. A 1 TB PCIe solid-state drive serves as the primary boot drive, ensuring that the Windows 11 home operating system and frequently used games load almost instantly. This is supplemented by a 3 TB hard disk drive, which provides ample space for large media libraries or long-term storage of files that do not require the extreme speed of a solid-state drive. This level of performance and specific hardware selection matters because it addresses the increasing hardware requirements of modern software. As games and professional applications become more resource-intensive, the 32 GB of DDR5 memory and the 16 GB of video memory provide a level of headroom that helps the machine remain relevant for several years. The move toward GDDR7 in the graphics department suggests a focus on the next generation of visual fidelity, where data throughput is the primary constraint. Furthermore, the inclusion of a dedicated 3TB hard drive reflects an understanding that modern digital libraries are growing rapidly, with single installations often exceeding 100 GB. Having a large secondary drive means the primary solid-state drive can be kept lean and efficient, focusing only on the most critical tasks. The combination of the Ryzen 8 700F and the RTX 5060T ensures that the system can handle multitasking across multiple monitors, whether that involves streaming high-definition video while gaming or managing complex datasets alongside creative software. The HP OMEN 35L is best suited for individuals who require a versatile machine that can bridge the gap between high-end entertainment and technical productivity. It is an ideal choice for those who are interested in exploring local AI applications without needing to build a custom liquid-cooled workstation from scratch. The 16 GB of VRAM are particularly useful for hobbyists in the fields of digital art and 3D modeling, where the extra memory prevents the system from slowing down during complex renders. It is also well positioned for gamers who prioritize high settings and long-term viability. By providing a large amount of both system and video memory, the desktop caters to those who do not want to worry about meeting recommended specifications for upcoming software releases. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 makes it a strong candidate for those living in environments where a wired Ethernet connection is not feasible, but high-speed, low-latency internet is still required for competitive play or large file transfers. Additionally, the pre-built nature of the OMEN 35L appeals to those who want professional cable management and a factory warranty covering the entire system rather than individual components. This desktop enters the market at a price point of approximately $1,950, which places it in the upper tier of consumer gaming PCs. This cost reflects the inclusion of cutting-edge components like the GDDR7 equipped graphics card and the large capacity storage drives. When considering the overall value of the system, it is worth noting the inclusion of the DKZ USB port expander and the modern wireless connectivity suite, which are often overlooked but contribute significantly to the daily utility of the computer. The choice of Windows 11 Home as the operating system ensures compatibility with the latest software features and security updates, while the OMEN Command Center software typically found on these units allows for fine-tuning of performance and lighting settings. This configuration avoids the common mistake of skimping on memory or storage, providing a balanced experience right out of the box. In a market where hardware requirements are shifting toward more memory-intensive and AI-focused tasks, the HP OMEN 35L offers a forward-looking specification list. The combination of the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F and the RTX 5060T creates a platform capable of handling high-resolution gaming and intensive creative work simultaneously. While the inclusion of a mechanical hard drive might seem traditional compared to an all-flash setup, the 3 TB of space offer a pragmatic solution to the problem of massive modern file sizes. The overall design remains focused on cooling and accessibility, ensuring that the high-performance parts can operate at their peak potential without excessive noise or heat buildup. For someone looking for a comprehensive, powerful and modern desktop solution, this system provides a robust foundation for both current and future digital needs. It balances the necessity of raw speed with the practical requirements of connectivity and storage capacity, making it a reliable centerpiece for a modern home office or gaming setup. The approximately $1,950 investment covers not just the core processing units but a well-rounded ecosystem of parts designed to work in harmony under the OMEN brand. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.